Hi, it's Nitu, and I thought that I'd do a tutorial for you today. It's inspired by Suzy from a group called Miss A. It's a Korean K-pop group, and I really like them. I really like Suzy. I think she's beautiful. She recently got together with Lee Min-ho, and a lot of people are talking about it. A lot of girls are not happy about it, but a lot of people are also really happy about it too. I am so happy for them. I think it's great that they found each other, and I hope they stay together, and I hope everything, just works out for them and everyone, really. And the thing that I really actually loved about the video was the makeup and the lips is in particular, but I think they just look gorgeous in this video, and it just inspired me to recreate the look, or try to recreate the look. I tried my best, and if you like it and you want to know how I did it, then please keep watching. Here I am without any makeup on, but my face is all primed and ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on concealer, and generally I'm going to dab it on quite generously. I wish I had flawless skin like these stars, these K-pop people, but I don't. So anyways, yeah. I'm gonna put some there too. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this concealer kind of like a highlighter, but after that I'm gonna highlight too, because their faces in this video are quite glowy and radiant. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I'm gonna dab that in. And now I'm gonna put some BB cream on. This is the Snail Therapy BB Cream by Nature Republic, and I just use my hands to put stuff on all the time. And then I'm going to powder my face with this Tony Moly Cat's Wink face powder. Because they have quite glowy skin, I'm going to highlight. So I'm actually going to highlight the cheekbones here. And I'm just using a powder highlighter. And the forehead as well, and down the nose. Because I don't have a very round forehead like her. That's another reason. And then using a bronzer or a darker color of powder, of face powder, please contour. And yeah, what I've seen is that they kind of contour. So I just use a bronzer to contour, and I did the sides of my nose and the cheekbones. It's kind of like you put highlighter here, and then you put a darker color here, and it just makes your face look slimmer and your nose look slimmer. And if you put some down here, it makes your jawline slimmer. And Miss A has, I think, a very nicely shaped face. She has a really slim nose and high nose and everything. She's very beautiful. She's dating Lee Min-ho. Okay, I'm over it. Moving on to eye makeup. Well, first I'm going to do the eyebrows. I'm just taking a brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows like that. She has very straight eyebrows. I don't, but that's okay. I'm just going to stick with what I have and not try to change it. And now on to the eye makeup. So I think that she's wearing a pink eyeshadow in this, and I don't really have a good bright kind of pink eyeshadow, so I'm actually going to use a blush, and I'm using the Smile Fit blusher from Peripera. So yes, I'm going to put blush on my eyes, and I'm using my fingers to put it on, and I'm just putting the pink all over. I mean, I have other pink eyeshadows, but not the shade of pink that I want. So one that will actually show up as well on camera. Over the pink blush, I'm going to use this pink. Look, it looks white, or it looks kind of pink, but it's actually more pink than what you see on camera. Anyways, this is PK002 by Etude House. It's a sparkly pink eyeshadow. I'm gonna put this over the blush that I had already put on and just all over. And I'm also going to put this to highlight the corners. It's a light shimmery kind of pink, so it can work as a highlighter on me. So just highlight the brow bone with a shimmery white color. And I'm taking a brown color. It's this kind of brown color. I'm taking this brown color now, and I'm going to put that here, just near the eye area, just near the lash line. It looks like that now. I think that she also does the aegyosal, so she does put some like brown here as well, just to highlight the aegyosals. I naturally have really big ones. You can actually take brown, I'm taking the same brown eyeshadow, and you actually just put it under like that. It highlights the aegyosals, means this fat stuff right here. How do you explain? The fat stuff under your eye, your under eye fat gets highlighted when you put a light shimmery color here and then a brown darker color here. It's like contouring on your eyes. Can you tell? Ugh. I already have them, so I'm not sure if you can tell that I actually emphasized it even more. Some people say that they're cute, so like this fat is cute. I don't know. I just think it makes you look tired. My opinion. That's it. Now I'm going to take an even darker brown color. So I'm going to use this brown. It's a darker brown than the one that I previously used. And I'm going to put that here on the eye line. So just take a dark brown or even black eyeshadow and you put it there. If you can tell, I went all the way to there on my eye. Now I'm taking a black liquid eyeliner and I'm going to do the top part of my eye. What I'm going to do is, following this line, I'm just going to go like that. And then I'm going to go like that and fill it in. So it's straight across here, but it has that thing too. And so now my eyes look kind of longer and I think bigger when I elongate the eyeliner as well. From there, I'm just going to put some mascara. I'm going to put the Jumbo Mascara by Innisfree, and that's it. I'm going to use the same blusher I used before. This is a Smile Fit Blusher number 5 by Peripera, and I'm just going to put that here. Like that. And it's a sparkly blusher, so it has that glow to it as well. In this video, the makeup that I love the best, or the thing that I love the best, is actually the lips. They chose a very kind of dark pink kind of color, almost red, but it's actually like a dark hot pink. Wow. Anyway, first I'm going to line with a lip liner. I don't have that color lip liner, but I'm just going to use any old lip liner. I have a color that's quite similar to the color that they used in the video. I think another color that's similar could be the Oil in Tint by Yves Saint Laurent number 5. I'm using the Sweet Recipe Candy Stick by Etude House, and this is the pink color. And that's what it looks like. Ta-da! I'm done! Yeah, I'm such a weirdo. What do you think? Maybe you think I'm crazy and I look absolutely nothing like her and it's completely wrong, but that's okay. I'll put a link to the video down below, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!